It is Monday today, so I'm actually going to be spending a pretty good portion of my day today finishing up a custom order for my friend. I'm just trying to finish up this custom order before I head out of town for a few days with my boyfriend, and we're actually heading out of town with one of his best friends as well. So we're going to get a ton of footage and I'll show you guys what I'm up to this week. So here's a sweater that I've been working on for about a week and a half now, and I finally get to stitch it all up. And here are the sleeves. Go. Alright, so we've made it out here to the dunes.
Yeah, we're at Pismo Beach. We're at the dunes. I'm about to shoot this fool. I'm trying to get this fool like dead.
Okay.
In the dunes. Just dead. I had him wear like all black just to contrast the sand. And yeah, we thought it was gonna rain, but shit.
Looking pretty sunny.
Yeah, super blue.
Yeah. Who are you?
My name is Jordan. I'm a shooter, obviously. I'm here shooting my best friend. His name's Andrew. We're just gonna be up here. I'm gonna get some portraits and kind of just get him in the dunes. Yeah.
Yeah, like that. Yeah. That's cool.
Ryan Little.
So I'm just having him fall. I think it looks cool. So that's what we're doing. Pull your right arm up to me. Yeah. Gosh, it's tight. I feel like I'm gonna crop it and you just have 4 arms. I got the 28 to 75 Tamron, and then I got this, where is it from? Oh yeah.
Something like that.
Lens FX? Prism or something?
Prism
like
FX.
And it's a kaleidoscope filter. Though. I'm gonna get a close, like macro shot of your hand in the sand. Ready? 1, 2. That's nice. Yeah, it looks better with you walking to me.
Mm-hmm. Way better. I crocheted Jojo this yin yang, and we're gonna sew it onto the back of his jacket to get a cool little shot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to look at these sea caves. It's called a Pirate's Cave, I believe. Cave is somewhere over there, so we gotta walk down there. I don't know exactly where, but
What a good right now I'm just getting JoJo to take some product shots for me so I can put these up on my website later. So these are all the colors that I'm gonna have available for custom orders. So I've obviously got a wide range of color selection. So if you guys want something custom made, check out my website. So now I'm working on adding some custom orders to my website and updating all my photos. Ooh. What? Here. You come here. You come here. I'm trying to. Can I help you? Little Miss Shammy. Okay, I need to edit. You have to look at yourself, yeah.
Looks good.
We're in line to get some coffee right now, and then
Sleep.
okay, and then we're gonna go yarn shopping and Best Buy for some camera gear.
I'm trying to get like a new lens or a camera
What you mean a new camera?
or both.
You said lens. You said lens.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Yeah.
So we out here listening to Selection 496. Cheers to my baby.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
You know it's real when you know. Your Starbucks drink.
What's the Starbucks drink?
It's a venti vanilla sweet cream cold brew with 1 shot of espresso. Not 2.
It is.
Where are we at, baby?
We're here to get yarn. We're at Hobby Lobby.
Oh. Oh.
We got a sale, baby. Hello guys, so today is Thursday and I look a little bit crazy because my sister and I went to get micro needling done on our faces. So for the next week, I'm probably not gonna show my face as I start to look even more crusty and musty. But I just kind of felt like showing you guys what I'm up to this weekend and what I have planned project-wise. So earlier this week, I headed on over to Hobby Lobby to pick up some yarn for a new project. I decided to pick up 2 different color sets of yarn because I wanted to attempt making a crochet vest. But besides editing a new vlog, I have some time to kill this weekend and maybe I can knock out a project or 2. I don't know how fast I can crochet, honestly, but I will give it a go. And I've got Mowgli, my handy dandy helper. Hi, Momo. Mo. So I worked a little bit through the night to get started on my new pattern, and today is Friday, I believe. But this is what I have so far with my very first vest. I'm still trying to test out the pattern. I don't know how it's gonna come so far. But I've essentially printed out a graph and drawn on my design myself. And now I'm just trying to mimic that onto the actual sweater. And it's taking some time, but I'm just gonna keep working through it. I've got my yarn over there. Got coffee and I have my dog. So it's a pretty good day. I'm just gonna keep working, huh? Yeah. This is where I'll be filming for the next couple of hours in my usual spot. Do you guys ever use random objects like coasters or a salt shaker to hold up your camera as a tripod? That's me right now. And this yarn's freaking cool because it has glitter in it. Or some kind of holographic, who knows what. So, I'm excited. I'm gonna start on the pattern right now and I'll check in a little bit, probably before the end of the day, and show you progress. Hello guys, so I am back and today is Saturday and I've spent a good amount of the day so far filming my next tutorial, but I'm about to get out of the house for the first time since I got my micro needling done. Pretty much I'm about to head out to the mall. I want to look for some new workout clothes because my boyfriend and I have gotten on a pretty good workout schedule, and I'll probably grab some coffee on my way home because you know me. So I'm just gonna drive around for a bit and take you guys with me. Just got my coffee, it's time to wake up. That's some good shit. I went inside of Starbucks to pick up my coffee and the barista was asking me what my job was, and it's still awkward for me. I'm still getting used to telling people that I make videos on YouTube because, well, I know a lot of people don't hear that very often. So I felt really awkward, but it's still awkward for me when people ask me what I do now, because I used to be an EMT and I did that for like 2 years. But a lot of times when I say that I'm doing like YouTube or YouTube videos, they're really kind about it and they seem to be really interested. So I guess that's just something I have to work on, and I got to get a little bit more comfortable. Good stuff. That's so low now. So I am currently out here in Arcadia today helping Jordan on a photo shoot, and I'm pretty much going to be assisting him on a photo shoot today for his friend.
All right. I'm Kevin from 1A Fitness in Arcadia, California. I did the trainer clap that all trainers do when you film, right? Jordan is going to be shooting for us some film and some photos for our website, our ads on Instagram and social media, and it's going to be fun to have his work on there. I've known this guy for, I don't know, I guess 6 years, right?
Yeah,
Since before I was a trainer, so that's networking for you.